Greetings, my name is Manoj Kumar. In this video, I am going to explain total 5 programs on the basis of topic of array in Java. Let me start the program. The first program is to find a particular character, how many times it appears in a particular sentence. Let me give first of all run the program, then I can explain it clearly. I am going to enter my name as J. And I want to search character A. I want to know how many times it appears. It shows it appears 2 times. As you can see, I'm written A as double time. So the basic concept is I use the for loop. It's a simple to check whether the given find the character. This is a simple program. The next program is to find the maximum occurrence of the character, particular character. In this program, I use a to for loop to find the length to find a particular operation, and in this program it is find the how many maximum time it occurs particular character. Here you can see that again a maximum name to find the how many time it occurs. I mean not how many times, maximum times. Which will run the program, then I can explain it clearly. Enter a string. I will enter uh, as you can see the maximum occurring character is L. You can see all a double L and hail is also another L. It's simple as that. We can also implement the minimum character also by creating another for loop. But the question is about maximum occurring character, then leave it that. The next program is example number 5. Let me first run the program, then I can explain it clearly. Okay, in this program we can find the particular character appear in which location. Let's first enter. Okay, I'm going to enter 5 in the integer. Enter the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1. And here it's asking the which value I want to search. Let me enter 5. Okay, you can see the 5 present at the location number 1. You can see I enter the 5 at the first location, then it's showing that. In this, I use one for loop and two if else statement. I mean not else, only two if statements. The last if statement is to find if the search character is not doesn't match with the integer which I entered, so it will show the particular item that doesn't exist in the array. Okay, let me okay, next program is explain about 80. Let me first run the program. Enter sentence. I'm going to simply enter my name. Okay, and another A. As you can see that in this program we need to find the duplicate character. As you can see, I entered A double time. That means it's a duplicate. I used A 2 times. It's showing the duplicate as A. In this program, I used two for loop and one if statement. It it's simple program without any complex logic. The next program is 8b. In this program, we need to find the was and constant. As you can see, I mentioned the was clearly A, E, I, O, U. It's nearly predefined, and as a constant I didn't mention anything. As a constant included from A to Z except this character which are walls. Let me run the first program. I'm just going to enter my name Manoj. You can see there are two wall and three constant. As you can see clearly that is all about the 5 program which I explained. Thank you.